Getting in breaking news now as the violence in Manipur escalates. Some in the opposition continue with the politicization. Rahul Gandhi saying that the Home Minister is not taking a note of the situation in Manipur, even as the Home Minister himself, Amit Shah, is in Manipur. And Rahul Gandhi politicizing the situation there. This is after Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh also convened a meeting with ministers and MLAs of the ruling NDA. That meeting is at 6 p.m. today to review the developing law and order situation in the state of Manipur. The development even as NPP, or the National People's Party, which had 7 MLAs in the 60-member Manipur Assembly, withdraw support from the BJP-led government, claiming that Biren Singh's dispensation had completely failed to resolve the crisis and restore normalcy in the state of Manipur. Here is how the Congress party is politicizing it. Let's listen in.
1.5 साल हो गए मणिपुर हिंदुस्तान का स्टेट है, मगर प्रधानमंत्री आज तक मणिपुर नहीं गए हैं। और मणिपुर में मैं गया हूं, मैंने अपनी आंखों से जो हो रहा है देखा है। हमारी पूरी सपोर्ट है। हमने सरकार को कहा है कि जल्दी से जल्दी हिंसा को बंद कीजिए, मगर नहीं हो रहा है। और इसमें वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट किसी का तो है। होम मिनिस्टर जी को अपना काम करना चाहिए, मगर किसी ना किसी कारण होम मिनिस्टर अपने काम में इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रहे हैं। मगर जो मणिपुर में हो रहा है, पूरा देश जानता है, बिल्कुल गलत हो रहा है और हिंसा को एकदम वहां पे बंद होना चाहिए।
And there are protests in different parts of the country. Looking at the situation in Manipur, I have my colleague Lalit joining us live. He's live at a location where a few students were also staging a protest. The protest itself was in Chandigarh. I'm going across to him. Lalit.
The horrific incident which happened in Manipur on 11th November. So looking into this now, there is an outrage all across the India. But if we talk about the Manipur Student Association of Chandigarh, they are also holding a protest here in the Punjab University. So hundreds of students you can see here which have assembled there holding placards and posters of the getting the justice for the one who have been killed on 11th November. Let me look across to the president, who is the president of this Manipur Student Association from Chandigarh. You are holding a protest today. What is the reason behind it? Is there any outrage? What happened on 11th November?
On 11th November, 6 people, they are family member. They were abducted from a relief camp which were situated in Jiribam, Manipur. After abduction, 2-3 days after that, they were found dead in a river nearby. And among the 6 abducted hostages, it includes an 8-month-old infant. Like it's the news that shocks us, that shocks everyone's heart is that it includes an infant that is only 8 months old. It's a total act of genocide. I mean, the infant knows nothing about this conflict. Who is he? What is going on around her? Like this conflict is longer than her life. So we are protesting this protest because we want justice for them, and we want the safety of all the innocent peoples or displaced person, internally displaced persons, and we want safety for the every innocent children, and we want this conflict to end.
So, this is the one what they are demanding, that they required justice as the way the victims, the 6 people, women and 3 children who have been abducted that day. They were brutally raped. That was a horrific incident which happened on 11th November. So looking into this now, the students all across the Punjab University have assembled there to demand justice and punish the perpetrators who took this horrific incident in Manipur on 11th November. So these are the visuals here from the Punjab University. Let me take across to some other students what they are demanding. What you are demanding, you are holding the posters in which it has been written, the murder of humanity by cookie terrorists.
For now, there should be an urgent plans of justice, and from my opinion, I would say that please, capital punishment should be imposed to that, for certain people. I didn't mean any community. I said certain people who had done the atrocities, because this is against humanity, and this is against, as I have mentioned, under BNS 70 and BNS 103 section. It is a horrible crime. So justice should be delivered on time, because we all know that justice delayed is a justice denied. Thank you.
So, very clearly saying that it was a cold-blooded genocide that happened on 11th November. There are hundreds of students, you can see here in the Punjab University, who are holding this posters and placards in a very silent way, just doing protests for the justice of the innocent who have been abducted on 11th November in Manipur. So, hundreds of students here in the Punjab University can be seen holding these posters and placards demanding justice for the innocent who were abducted there. Back to the studio.
Okay, thank you for that. Tracking the situation closely this evening, we are monitoring that all-important meeting of the NDA and their allies. There is anger specifically against Biren Singh, the Chief Minister of